Okay, today I'm going to replace a loose strip on my imitation billet grill. I'm going to first clean the part I need to stick it to with some alcohol. I painted my grills, that's why you can see some of the silver through it. When I get done putting this new strip on, I'll touch it up with a little paint pen, all the places that are starting to chip off. But you can get the strips off of eBay. You get a whole package of a package like 3 feet for like $8.60, and it takes about one package for each half. And basically you cut it to length, apply it to the straighter section here. You can see down here where it went down the middle, and just line it. There'll be spots that don't get taped, but it stays on pretty much. I put this on about a year and a half ago, so it's lasted a couple seasons. I expected it to come off after a while, but I had one coming loose, so I decided to go ahead and replace it and then post it so you guys could see how it's done.